Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PHP with MySQL database using XAMPP. So you have to make sure that Apache server and MySQL is running. Now after that, let me open the browser and here I'm going to type localhost phpMyAdmin and let me remove this. So it's going to open the phpAdmin dashboard. Now we have to create a new database. So I'm going to click on new and I'm going to type here database name and that will be test DB. Now let's create. After that, let's create a table and let's select some columns. Now let's fill this form. So the first column will be ID and the second one will be name. Let's select type and that is integer. Now let's add some length and make sure it is auto incremented. Now let's add the type for the name varchar and let's add the length. So now let's save it. All right, so we have created a table with two columns. Let me show you. Right now we don't have any kind of data and we will put that using PHP. So let's get back to PHP. Hide that and let me open the htdoc folder. All right, let me open the C XAMPP htdocs. Here I'm going to create another folder. Folder name will be db test. Now let's open. Now I'm going to show you a shortcut method how to open a folder using VS Code. So you will have to open the terminal and type code and full stop. It's going to open the same directory. Now let's create a file and the first file we will create connect.php. So in this file we will connect PHP to our MySQL database. Let's type the PHP open tag and I'm going to declare a variable and that would be localhost. Now let's add the user and by default the username will be root. Let's create another and one more. The third one will be password and that will be by default empty. Now the last one will be database. So we're going to put that DB name here, test.db. So we have created 4 variables and assigned values to that variable. And let me show you, we have created this database in our MySQL phpMyAdmin. So let me show that. You can see we have created that database here. So we will be connecting this database to our PHP. Now the next thing, we have to declare a variable connection and which will be equal to new MySQL I. Now after that, let's assign that variable to this function. Right. So we are passing the connection to this variable using this object. We created MySQL object and assign those four variables to this function. So this function is connecting database to MySQL and it is assigning to this variable. Now we have to check if database is connected successfully or not. So for that, assign if statement. In VS Code, you can see we have suggestions for the if statement. You can install extension for this. So inside if statement, I'm going to type connection object and I'm going to type connect underscore error. Inside if statement, let's add a function die connection failed. Now let's concatenate with connect error. Inside end statement, I'm gonna echo database is connected successfully. All right, so let's save this. We are checking for the connection. If connection is not successfully connected, it's going to show error. And if it is connected, it's going to show this message. So let's test this out. In the new tab, let's type localhost and project name. And inside that, open that folder. So you can see we have a database is connected successfully. So that's mean our database is connected. If I change database name, let's say no database and save it. Now let's check again. And we got the error. So that's mean we don't have the no database. And you can also see the error in the connect.php on line number 8, which is start from here. All right. So let's get back that database name and now let's check again. All right, so we have learned how to connect PHP to our MySQL database. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to insert data using PHP to our database. See you in the next video.